Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Becky, nice to meet you. I would love it if you would consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube and joining my family. Alright, so today is going to be a little bit of Easter basket cleaning up. I know, going through all the candy that is left over, if there is any left. And doing some of the kitchen cleaning from the night before when we had crab. And doing some much needed laundry. My 5 loads of never-ending laundry, like, it literally is never ending. Alright, so here we're cleaning up the Easter grass, getting it all cleaned up. So the girls, I love when they come over and they help me. It just kind of teaches them responsibility when they clean up after themselves. Alright, so in a few of the eggs, there's little tabs of paper, and it's actually just a sticky note that I folded up, and on each sticky note it has a saying. So on a few of them it says lunch with mommy, lunch with daddy. It's kind of almost like tickets. And a few of them do say like a $10 or a $5 toy of your choice. So when they go into Target or we go into Walmart, they can actually pick up a toy. And it's just something I decided to try this year, just something new. And I also did a saying in there that says Kiss Attack. This is something we've done for so long now, and I'll never stop doing it, where basically I literally grab them and hug them, and I attack them with kisses, and they love it. And also, I would love to know if you guys enjoy me talking as I'm cleaning on these videos, or would you rather just hear music? I will not be offended either way. I prefer actually listening to music when I watch cleaning videos, but everyone's different, and I would just like to know what you guys like the most. So if you'd rather have cleaning music, or if you'd rather have me talk, just let me know.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on.
And here I just put literally a couple drops of Dawn dish soap. So I decided to keep using Dawn dish soap, and decided to get dishwashing gloves that I can use multiple times before throwing them away. Just, Dawn honestly has been the best to fight grease and everything, so this is what I'm deciding to just keep in the kitchen as one of my cleaning products. Okay, really quick, the microwave cover that you guys just seen me wash, literally I suggest you invest in one of those. They work amazing, especially when you have something like spaghetti and you just put the cover over it in the microwave when you reheat it, and you don't have spaghetti sauce splattering everywhere all over your microwave where you have to clean it up afterwards.
Some things, but I wasn't clear. No, I did it wrong and you did it right. Yeah, that's what you said when you started the fight. We came to an end, I put up this fence. But do you really mean that this is the end? 1, 2, 3 years of silence. Then 4.
As you can see, Rakaya just woke up. So I typically try to start cleaning, especially on Sundays, earlier the better, just because then it frees up my afternoon to either, do stuff with the family or do my YouTube stuff.
No, I hope this is a phase that you were just dramatic, that we still could be good, that our love is elastic. I'll make this right if you give me a chance. Oh, I did it wrong and you did it right. Yeah, that's what you said when you started the fight. We came to an end, I put
air fryer. If you guys do not have one, get one. One of the best appliances that I ever bought. And also copper pan. If you guys don't have one, get one. Especially when you make eggs and stuff like that. Foods that, you know, typically stick to pans like really, really bad. The stuff just slides right off this pan.
That put up this fence, but do you really mean that this is the end? 1, 2, 3 years of silence, then 4, 5, 6, still nothing. When my hair gets gray and I lose my shape, I'll still be missing you. Year by year, out of silence. No. 1, 2, 3 years of silence. Then 4, 5, 6, still nothing. Still nothing. When my hair gets gray and I lose my shape, I'll still be missing you. Year by year, out of silence.
All right, so here is the seafood set that I got a couple weeks ago, and it's a lifesaver. If any of you eat crab, you know what I'm talking about, trying to break them shells. These things work amazing.
I'm the landscape you need to see. You are the artist I'll never be. I'm so sorry I never stay. Overreact and just walk away. Take me back to the place I know. I have the power to let things go. I'm so lost I can't see the shore. You know what that means, we've been here before. I lose my self-restraint. I think we're done, then you add more paint. I calm down and watch it dry. And there it is, my love.
All right, so here is my famous smoothie. I make at least one of these a day, at least I try to. And if you guys want me to do a video on that, I can definitely do that. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you'd like that. Okay, a tip for the Ninja Bullet. Literally just put just a drop of Dawn dish soap or whatever soap you prefer to use. Put some water in it and then just blend it up, and it actually cleans it for you rather than you actually having to wipe it and then chance cutting yourself on the blade because the blade is quite sharp. All right, so here's laundry. Laundry, never ending laundry. You guys, I have so much laundry, especially now that Raquel is potty training. We go through underwear, pants, and shorts like so much. But in the end, no more diapers, and that's all that matters. And as you can see, I keep looking over towards the actual camera. Well, I'm not looking at the camera, I'm actually looking at the television. When I fold laundry, I tend to watch my shows while I'm folding laundry. Just kind of keeps the time, you know, makes the time go faster and everything. So as you can see, I have the clothes stacked quite high. These are just Raquel's shirts, and I think I counted 32 of them. But yeah, she had tons of shirts. Because the girls also, when they're home and I'm at work, they go and they grab shirts out of their closet and they change because they're kids. All right, the girls are actually doing Baby Shark again. That's why I don't have it loud so you guys can hear it, is because you guys have heard them do it. And see, as you can see here, I'm counting to see how many shirts I actually stacked up. And I actually try to color code the shirts. I know people don't waste their time half the time, especially in a kid's closet. But I do my own, and I just feel like it organizes it better. I'm able to find outfits and match them up a lot faster than I would if they weren't.
I'm the landscape you need to see. You are the artist I'll never be. Stay with me and I have no doubt make a painting that makes you proud.
I don't even know if Raquel realizes that she was actually being recorded, but I had to put that on there. She's just so dang cute. Alright, you guys, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Alright, you guys, I'll see you in our next cleaning video, and make sure you guys let me know whether you want me to talk a little bit more or a little bit less. Alright, you guys, have a great night, and I'll see you in our next video. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.